In this video, we're going to talk about exponents and putting it all together to solve complicated problems. While there are many ways to solve these problems, here's one way that will always work. Start by eliminating any terms with zero exponents. That's because a zero exponent makes it have a value of 1. Expand all powers of powers and powers of products. Then move all terms to the numerator from the denominator by changing the sign of the exponents. Next, you need to combine all like terms using the properties we discussed earlier. Finally, move all terms with negative exponents to the denominator and change their exponent to be a positive number. Now we're going to solve a problem that looks like a really complicated problem, but if we take it step by step, following the steps from the previous slide, you'll find it's really not that bad. So first we're going to eliminate the terms with zero exponent. So y to the 0 is equal to 1, so we can cross it out because 1 times that won't change anything. Similarly with x to the 0. Then the term x to the 9th, y to the 5th, all that to the 0 just becomes 1, so we can cross it out as well. X to the 3rd, y to the negative 9 just comes from the first part of the numerator. Then we get x to the 4th and y squared following the properties of powers. Now turning our attention to the denominator, we have x squared cubed in the denominator, and that becomes x to the 6th. And so to bring it upstairs, it becomes x to the negative 6. Similarly, we have x to the negative 4 to the negative 2, which gives us x to the 8th, bringing upstairs x to the negative 8. And then we end up with y to the negative 10 downstairs, so it becomes y to the 10th upstairs. Now we combine like terms by adding the exponents. So x to the 3rd, x to the 4th, x to the negative 6, and x to the negative 8 give us x to the negative 7. And y to the negative 9, y squared, and y to the 10th give us y to the 3rd. And then putting the negative exponents in the denominator, we get y to the 3rd over x to the 7th.